Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to loop an animation in a PowerPoint presentation. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to apply a looping effect to an object so that it continues to animate until the end of the slide. Begin by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Ensure that the file you wish to modify is readily available on your computer and that you have the PowerPoint application running. This initial step is essential for setting up your work environment before applying any animation enhancements. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide where you want to add the looping animation. It is important to locate the specific slide within your presentation so that you can efficiently work directly on the content that requires animated effects. After making sure that the correct slide is in view, click on the object you want to animate. This can be any element on your slide, such as an image, text box, shape, or graphic element. The object should become highlighted to indicate that it has been selected for further customization. After selecting your object, the next step is to move over to the Animations tab within the PowerPoint interface. The Animations tab houses several options that are key to controlling how your presentation elements behave during a slideshow. Here you will choose your desired transition effect for the object, which might include fades, wipes, or other types of movements that help attract your audience's attention. The transition you pick will serve as the basis for the continual animation effect you are setting up. Once you have decided on the transition effect, locate the section labeled Advanced Animation. Within this section you will find a tool called the Animation Pane, which is fundamental for managing and editing the timing and behavior of your animations. By clicking on the Animation Pane option, a panel appears on the right side of your screen that provides a detailed overview of every animation applied to the current slide. This setting is very helpful when dealing with multiple animations or complex sequences. When the animation pane is visible, focus on the animation you just applied. You will see a drop-down arrow next to it designed to let you access more detailed settings. Click on this drop-down to reveal the context menu options that include various commands for fine-tuning the animation. One option listed within this menu is Timing. Selecting Timing opens a dialog box that allows you to manage detailed aspects of your animation's duration and its repetition. Within the timing settings, look for the section dedicated to repeat. Here you will set your animation to repeat until the end of the slide. This option ensures that the object continues its animated sequence without pausing until you switch slides or end the presentation. It is an excellent way to maintain dynamic movement on your slide and keep your audience engaged for the duration of that particular section. After adjusting the repeat settings so that the animation loops until the slide concludes, confirm your changes by clicking on OK. With your settings now applied, proceed to launch your presentation in full screen mode. This final step enables you to sit back and watch your looping animation in action. By following these instructions carefully and methodically, you have now successfully created a looping animation that automatically plays until the conclusion of the slide. Enjoy your enhanced presentation.